everyone, welcome to our English online class. Hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Let's start our English online class. Do you like balloons? Every children like balloons. And balloons are available in different colors, different shapes like love shape, round shape, circle shape, etc. And we can see the balloon man in several figures who is standing with different colors, different shapes of balloons. Here is a poem about balloon man. Let's see what this balloon man brings with him. The balloon man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bench, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of his lunch. The poet says that the balloon man always comes in market days with a bunch of lovely balloons, with a bunch of beautiful balloons with different colors. The balloon man always comes in market days with a bunch of, with a bunch of lovely balloons, beautiful balloons, and he stands in the market square. Never seems to think of lunch. He never think of his lunch. He never think of his food. He always, the whole day, he stays in the market square with the bunch of lovely balloons. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. The balloons are available in red, purple, blue and green color. The balloons are in red, purple, blue and green color. And when it is a sunny day, we could see them shining from far away between the carts and people. We could see the shining balloons between the carts and peoples. Carts means a strong vehicle, a strong open vehicles. Sometimes it may be pulled by a horse or by a man. It's a vehicle, a small open vehicle. So we could see the balloons, different colors of balloons shining far away from the between the cart and people. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a strong string, And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Some of the balloons are big, some of them are small, and they tied together with a string. And if there is a wind, it will tug the balloons. If there is a wind, the wind will pull all the balloons. It tied together, and if there is a wind, it will tug the balloons. Someday perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. If there is a wind, the wind will pull all the balloons. Someday he will let them go. He will leave all the balloons, and we could see the balloons are sailing in the sky. The balloons are sailing high. The balloons were sailing in the sky. And when we watch and look it from under, it look pretty in the sky. It look beautiful in the sky. So the balloon man always comes in market days, and he stands in the market square, and we could see the balloons shining from far away between the carts and people. The balloons are available in red, green, blue and purple color. And if there is a wind, they tied together. The balloons are tied together, and if there is a wind, it pulled all the balloons. The wind will pull all the balloons. Someday he let them go. The balloon man let them go. And when we stand and watch from below, it would look pretty. It would look beautiful in the sky. So this is a poem about the balloon man, written by Rose Feilman. Now let's check what are the new words in this chapter. The first word is bench. B-U-N-C-H, bench. Bench means a group. A bench of balloons means a group of balloons. And second word is square. Square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square means here market square means marketplace, a four-sided area, an open four-sided area, that's square. And sunny. Sunny means bright sunlight. Bright sunlight, daytime. Sunny day means daytime, bright sunlight day. And last word is tug. T-U-G, tug. Tug means pull. Tug the balloon, pull the balloons. These are the new words in this chapter. So this is about the poem The Balloon Man, written by Rose Feilman.